Good day. I am glad to explain my code in ATM or automated teller machine. So without further ado, I will start. So here, I am using different kinds of header files, as you can see. And in this side, we have the structure, which is called as user, that represent the information or account information of the user. So here are the phone, account username, password, and the balance. And here we have the second structure, which is called as transaction, that represent transaction in the field of transaction type, amount, and the date. Here I declare the function prototypes. Actually, they are many and they are a big help in the whole parts of our code in ATM. So we have here start, balance inquiry, depositing cash, cash withdrawal, online transfer, password change, save history, remove history, show history, and dispense cash. So I'm gonna expand in explaining what is the use of those functions above. So here we declare these global variables. As you can see, those structures that we have above is here. This will be used in whole part of our code. We have this file, and here we comes in the end and here we have this system color react the color of the outcome. And here we start this function start. Here it is. It will print the menu of our ATM. So in this part, it will be going to ask the user if he or she will gonna register an account or log into an account. So if the user choose 1, then he or she was prompted to register his or her account or account information. So gonna enter his or her username, phone number, and the PIN number, as you can see. So if the user done correctly in inputting his or her data, then account successfully registered. But if not, then something went wrong. Please try again. And here, if the user choose 2 or enter the number, or he or she choose 2, then he or she will be prompted to log in. And same as in register, he or she needs to enter his username, the phone number, as well as the PIN number. So later I will gonna show you how it works or what is the outcome of my code. But for now, I will gonna explain how my code or what is the look of my code. So here I use this as a sound like MM, and we have this account number not registered. And here if the account if the PIN number is the same from the PIN that been registered from the user, then it will goes here in the main menu of the ATM. So here the user will gonna see the main menu. Welcome to my ATM. We're gonna see this. And here I use a switch case. So actually this is a good idea, a good thing for me, because I can easily call those functions that I declare above to work on each functions, because each of those declared functions above have many uses to work in a whole ATM. So here, so now we're up to in the balance inquiry. So the code will gonna present the balance of the user's ATM. Here the user will gonna deposit his or her cash. So I'm gonna show it later. The user can also withdraw the cash she deposit or he deposit. So if the amount is less than equal user balance, then it's either the user can withdraw, else it will show as insufficient balance. And here the user can also transfer a funds amount into other ATM account. So here, this is how it works. So in here, in the code, you're gonna check if the recipient's account number exists or registered in this ATM. So if not, then it will show the account number not registered. But if it is registered, then it will print you have successfully transferred this kind of amount. And here we have this password change. So we can easily change our password if needed. Here we can save the history transaction. So here, all the transactions that we are doing a while ago will save here. And here also we can remove those transactions. And apart from that, here we can show the history, like all of the transactions that we're doing inside of our ATM. This I will gonna show it later for further explanation on how it works. And the void dispense cash. This showed in the function of withdraw cash. So now I will gonna explain you how this codes of mine in ATM works, or what is the output of these codes. So let's run this. So as you can see, this is the look of my first menu in this ATM. As you can see, here I asked the user if he or she wanted to register an account or log into an account. So since we still don't have the account, so we're going to choose the one, or register an account. Choose one. So here we're up to inputting our username. So I'm gonna input my name, username, enter our phone number, and the PIN number. So my account is successfully registered. So here I'm planning to register another account again, so we can use it in transferring or doing the online transfer. Okay, so let's register another account again. So another username, another name, numbers are 9750043874654, and the pay number 13457. Let's choose those kind of numbers so it will be easy to remember. So our account is successfully registered. So we have already 2 accounts that is already registered in our ATM. So here we are going to log in. So we're gonna log in. We're gonna log in this first, the phone number. So not for now. 33874. So in here, if you will gonna put the wrong password, there's something gonna showed up like this. So here gonna show that our password is invalid and we should try again. So let's log in back and our menu and log in. Type our username, phone number, and 4-digit PIN number. And here we are, and the main menu of our ATM. So here it is: the balance inquiry, depositing cash, cash withdrawal, online transfer, password change, change, save history, remove history, show history, and we can also exit in our ATM. So let's try to see in the balance inquiry. So as you can see, our balance is 0 because we haven't deposited any money. So let's go back in our main menu. So here, let's deposit some amount of cash. So here, let's try to deposit 20,000. So it's successfully deposited. So let's continue. Let's try to withdraw our money. So here, I'll try to withdraw 10,000. And here it goes. As you can see, here, the amount that we withdraw is showed up or displayed here, as well as this dispensing cash, 10,000. So let's continue. But what if let's try to withdraw with not enough or insufficient balance money? So let's try it. That's in the cash withdrawal. Like we're gonna withdraw higher than the balance left in our ATM. So I'll try to withdraw 25 or 23,000. So as you can see, it is insufficient balance. So now you know. Here, let's try the online transfer. Step 4. And here, I will gonna input the number that we wanted to, or the recipients. So the number is 7,500,43,874. And please enter the amount to transfer. So we're gonna transfer at least 5,000. And here it goes. We are successfully transferred 5,000 to this phone number, to this ATM account. Let's try again into the other functions of our ATM. So let's try to save our history of our transaction. So we're gonna enter 6. So here it's already saved. So let's try it again. Let's since we can also remove the transaction history of our ATM, but for now I'm gonna show you the whole transaction of our code. So here, in our ATM. So let's choose 8, and here all the transactions we're working or we're doing in our ATM. Deposit, I deposit like this. As you can see here, this is how it goes. And we will gonna go back again to our main menu. So you've seen all on how the ATM of mine works. So let's try to remove our history. Let's choose 7. And now our history transactions are removed successfully. Let's go back to our main menu and exit our ATM. So I'm gonna choose or enter 9. So thank you for using ATM. Visit again. So this is how my code works. Hope you enjoy and hope you understand my explanation. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.